We landed in Korea! Good morning, guys! We landed in Korea yesterday, and this is what happened.
We arrived at Incheon Airport at 1 in the afternoon. The airport is really beautiful.
We are going to get a SIM card because we don't have internet yet. From my memory, I think it's one of the cashiers over there. They have KT, they have LGU+, they have eSIM.
First, you use the machine to get a queue number. We got a 4-day SIM card, which was around $15.
Then we got our SIM card. Right now, I'm looking for a machine to get a transportation card. We have one that was from like last time when we were in Korea. We need another one for my boyfriend. So we can get one in the convenience store. That is the convenience store we were looking for.
After getting a transportation card, we plan on getting a ticket to get back to our hotel. If you don't have a transportation card, you can pay by credit card, but if you do, you can use the machines.
Finally got our tickets. It just looks like this. 17,001, and we're waiting for 6001. In here they have Chinese, Korean, Japanese, so basically you can see where you need to get off, and this is the time of the buses. Right now it's about 4:20 in the afternoon, so the nearest one is this 4:30. A lot of people are waiting for buses. Our bus is here.
The driver will help you with your luggage, but if you do have a carry-on luggage, you can just carry it on the bus.
Thank you. Now we have arrived at our hotel. We're staying at this Novotel Ambassador Seoul Dongdaemun Hotel. We have to get to the 20th floor to check in. That's our room. Looking good. Let's unbox it together. I haven't come to the room yet.
We had a queen-size bedroom. The room is a little bit small, but it's very clean and it has a very beautiful city view.
We're out looking for food, and we're on this street that's full of restaurants.
Until we find this is a very traditional Korean street food, and it's also something that we usually see in Korean TV shows. It surprises me that they have so many different kinds of food, but the price is not low.
We had a juicy chicken, we have tteokbokki, and we also have this.
The food is so good, and sitting in a place like this makes me feel like I'm in a K-drama. After eating, then we go on exploring this street, and the smell of the cake really caught our attention. We have to get one.
This is a cheese bread made in Korea.
It's so sweet, and the cheese inside is not kidding. That was so fun. And my boyfriend couldn't escape this cheese disaster as well.
It's pretty good, right?
Then we go on exploring around the hotel. It's the perfect season for strawberries. For one pack of strawberries, it's around $4. Then we keep on going. We arrive at the landmark of this district.
That is the famous Dongdaemun Market. Clothes over there are super cheap and very beautiful, but low quality. That's what I heard. And that way, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see that? That is Dongdaemun. This was an ancient wall in South Korea. Nowadays, it became a landmark just because of the market that I showed you guys just now, the Dongdaemun Market. Do you see that?
Anybody recognizes where this place is? 3, 2, 1. This was the place where 선재업고튀어, that very famous K-drama, was shot. After having a nice night walk, we went back to our hotel. Sorry guys if my voice sounds a little bit weird. I caught a cold. Please bear with me in this video.
We are now going to take a subway to the National Museum of South Korea, and we are going downstairs Let me show you guys. So they have an underground mall as well, and most of them are still closing. I see a lot of the shops in South Korea open at around 11 o'clock and close at around 20 o'clock. So I guess this is the same situation. I don't know where the subway is, but I can hear the sound. You can save your luggage here if you have a lot of them. Oh, they have a restaurant here.
What do? We don't miss any restaurants that we accidentally meet.
짜장면 어디에 있어요?
면은 없고 라이스만 있어. 하나, 우거지 하나.
네.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네.
We had one napa cabbage rice soup, another spicy stir-fried pork with rice.
The chopsticks and the spoons are usually in the drawers next to the desk, so if you don't see them on the desk, it's probably in the drawers.
I have my soup rice. They serve the food with a lot of, is it called snacks? Something like that, like Korean kimchi.
The food was good, too spicy, just...
There we go. So cute. There is a passenger lane by the entrance. So these two lanes are for vehicles and this one lane is for passengers. It's really close to the subway station, so you just walk maybe for 2 minutes after you got out from the subway station.
There are literally so many different centers, but mainly we're going to this exhibition hall. This is called Mirror Pond. Now that I look back on this pond, it definitely looks like an ancient bronze mirror.
Ah, you can see the tower.
Oh wow, this museum is truly beautiful.
The museum has 3 floors in total, and the first floor we're seeing prehistory and ancient history, medieval and early modern history. And for the second floor we're seeing calligraphy and painting. And for the 3rd floor we see sculpture and crafts and also world arts. So I guess we can start exploring from the 1st floor and we go upstairs all the way to the 3rd floor.
I don't want to ruin your experience by showing you every single detail of the museum, but I'm gonna list up a few reasons why I think you should come. First is this multimedia display. With these displays, no matter how much history you know, you're fully able to understand whatever the museum is trying to tell you.
You can touch this with the sign of this. If you see a sign, you can touch it.
And they also have so many interactive devices like this, so you can zoom in and see the detail of those art crafts.
Now we're just having a rest over here, and the desk, it says it's 450 years old.
I'm surprised because they create those little details for the visitors, so I get impressed by the museum. And of course, my favorite part is to shop for fridge magnets.
This one.
This one,
Yeah.
1 or 2.
Please help me choose. Which one should I get? Leave it in the comments so I can see.
Now we have finished our tour at the National Museum of Korea. It took us probably around 2 hours to get the overall view of the whole museum. The museum is really cool. The design of the building is really cool. So we're moving on to our next destination. We're very hungry right now.
As soon as we got out of the museum, we found something quick to eat, and the boss exclusively played a Chinese song for us, which is really comforting, and also the food is really well made. So far, the leek kimchi is my top one. We had a super fast lunch because the next thing we do is super exciting. We're gonna go get my hair done, and we're gonna experience the hair salon in Korea. Let's teleport. First we ordered a 3-step hair care. That was necessary because I wanted to perm and my hair was extremely dry. I don't know why steam is coming out of my hair. That took for about 15 minutes, and then they put a magical lotion on my hair. They wrapped my hair with a cling film and they used this machine. I don't know what it does, but I did feel a little bit of warmth. And by the time we wait, they served us with free snacks and free orange juice, which was really nice. And after that, they cut my hair really fast. And all of a sudden, I started looking like this. And that is the slight awkward part. I was set to sit by the window near the street so I can see the passengers passing by. I was not bored. I hope they don't freak out to see me sitting here for another hour. Ta-da! Hi guys! What do you think of my haircut? This is the final look. I am literally so satisfied with this. It looks very natural and the whole process is really fast. I think it took about 2 hours to get my haircut done. I got a haircut, I got my hair permed, so this look is permanent. I can't believe. I was a little bit nervous to take a video at the hair salon, so I'm taking a video after getting back to hotel. We are now going to get a cup of coffee. I'll have this hazelnut cream cold brew. I really like the bright color of the Korean cafe shops. The coffee is just lying there quietly, and this one sip of coffee is just so magical. And of course, the first thing we do after waking up is find a place to eat. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good, the kimchi flavor. We're having the traditional Korean kimchi pot, and the emo works here taught us how to eat it correctly.
这个米饭搁小碗里，然后小粉汁崴出来。
哦，
崴出完之后，那锅巴呢，你就添那个凉水，把它盖上。这个锅是热的嘛，它就破开了。
Then the rice is done. It looks like this, and it tastes like something is overcooked.
Oh, you guys first. Very heavy flavor of kimchi, so good.
By the time we finish eating, we are ready to set off to Hongdae.
Get a security alert on our phone. It says there's something wrong happened to subway line 2. So if you're in Korea, make sure to pay attention to the security alert sent to your phone so you know what's happening in Korea and you can plan your trip according to the alert.
Hongdae is basically the short version for Hongyi University. And because of the Youngblood, this place has naturally become the center for fashion and entertainment. Same as before, I don't think I'd guide you much in this part because I think everybody has different preferences. But generally, this place is a really good place if you want to kill time, have some coffee, just enjoy the younger generation vibe. Oh my god, I love those little things. Look at this one, anybody can get me?
왜 그래야 돼지? 부자 되면 돼지, 안 되지. So cute. How much is it? 买一个吧.
And also I did some shopping at my favorite brand. And we came across this Line Friends shop as well. Everything is just so cute over there. I had a great time.
소문난 닭 한 마리. It's a chicken soup. The whole street is chicken soup. Oh, it's so popular. We have to wait. I'll put the link of this street in the description. I think every single one of them should be worthy of trying.
After years of waiting, it's finally our turn to eat. The chicken soup is really well made, but the cherry on top is definitely the star. It's so soft and soaked with the soup. That's perfect. And their special sauce is soy sauce and vinegar. I don't think I like that much, but the chicken without the sauce is delicious enough. And lastly, you have to add the noodles. It's just so fun having talks with our friends. And the noodles soaked with the soup is amazing. Last stop of today.
We are now arriving at the very famous market, Gwangjang Market.
I don't think this is a must-go place because you can taste the food everywhere on the street. But there is one thing we're looking for. It's our Korean friend's recommendation, which is called Gwangbegi. There we go, that's the place. Oh my god, look at the queue.
She says if you ever come to Gwangjang Xijang, this is the must try, even if you don't eat anything here. All of the twisted donuts are handmade by Imos, even if at 23 in the evening they're still doing it. We've been waiting forever and it's finally our turn. It's very crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, and it's wrapped with a special kind of sugar which is really good. And we did a little bit more of walking and we went back to our hotel to welcome the last day of our trip. We arrived at Seongsu. Seongsu-dong is one of the most artistic neighborhoods in Seoul, known as the Brooklyn of Seoul, and also it's one of the shopping paradises in Seoul. But what impressed me the most was these photo shooting areas. These photos are called live photos, and there are literally so many different kinds of them in Seongsu-dong. And this one is a must try. I had so much fun doing this photo shoot with my twin sister, and the angle is just so weird but beautiful, and it turned out perfectly. And they also provide you with these little plastic bags, and they're all free. And also I highly recommend this mega coffee. It's famous for its mega size. It's also a chain store. I had a huge latte. It was so good. And we recommend this very famous gamja tang. Look at the queue. But it's kind of fast. We waited for only 30 minutes, I think. What's it called? Gamja tang. Potato soup with pork. You order the size by the number of people. The one we ordered is the size of 3 people. And there is also a correct way of eating this. First you taste soup and then you add the vegetable with the kimchi and the meat. I cannot even describe how good it tastes. And don't forget to add this by the time you finish eating. This is called Korean sujebi. It's so good. We are at Hangang Park. Oh my god, I love it so much. This is the most healing place so far. A lot of you guys know that I am very into nature. I want to go by the river and show you guys what Hangang looks like. Let's go. This is the perfect time to be here. The sun is going down. Everything is just perfect. Every time sitting in the nature like this just gets me thinking I am so lucky to have what I have today and to be able to explore this world. And Hangang becomes more beautiful when the night comes. What Korean university students do is they buy a ramyeon and they eat the ramyeon by the river. I had such a great time just listening to some music and enjoy some time to myself. And the trip ends here perfectly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am so grateful because we went to a new destination together again. And I'll keep creating wonderful videos for all of you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any questions, and like if you've enjoyed watching this. And I'll see you guys in the next destination. Bye!